Hey everybody, welcome. Really our last true science day. We're taking a quiz today. And I'm not really going to assign you work to do the last time. We'll do something fun. Coronavirus prevention plan is wash your hands like you just got done slicing jalapenos for a batch of nachos, and you need to take your contacts out. Be careful. If you do like spicy food, when you make it, you have to be very careful about them spicy peppers because it will get in your eyes because it stays on your skin and you really have to wash them well. Okay, National HIV Vaccine Awareness Day, National Visit Your Relatives Day, National No Dirty Dishes Day, and National Cheese Souffle Day. And then Tuesday, May 19th is National May Ray Day and National Devil's Food Cake Day. One big item of note, I will not be I won't be doing a conferences, Schoology conferences until 1. I won't be really answering emails really quickly or at all because I'll be at Congress during my work time, doing things in my classroom. And yeah, I've had nothing but computer time. I need some classroom stuff to take care of the kids who wanted their notebooks as well as anybody who has any other of other materials in my room. Okay. Our puzzle was, the answer was 3. So if you imagine and you actually take it through that process, the 4 is on the bottom. And here's something you need to know about dice that maybe you didn't know. The opposite sides add up to be 7. So the opposite side of the 1 is 6. The opposite of 2 is 5. The opposite of 3 is 4. And so the 4 would be face down, the 3 would be face up. And so Travis, Tori, Kennedy all got that correct. And Travis said he studies dice, so he knows those things. Our last puzzle that we will do is what do the following words have in common? These words, what do they have in common? This is a good one. I like this. Okay. As for our quiz, we are taking a quiz today. You can retake anything that we've done so far, and actually our new quizzes, I even put that in there. So if you don't do well on your quiz, which hopefully you do, you can work to retake that quizzes starting even today. And the quiz is in already there in the folder. I don't know why that picture is that's the quiz. Woohoos go to Makai and Nicole, who I saw both of them. So for our work today, it's not too tough. We're doing our Science Daily video. I would advise you to look over your study guide and look at those study resources and then take your quiz on Schoology. It looks like that. It's the top one. It's quiz 10. It won't show up in yellow like it does on my screen, but that's fine. So if you have any questions, email me, come stop by Schoology conferences and say hello, and yeah, adios guys, bye-bye.